What if you were trapped underground your whole life, like an army ant? No sunlight, no escape, only darkness. Comma. Army ants spend most of their life beneath the soil. They create long tunnels that stretch deep underground. Inside these tunnels, thousands of ants move nonstop. They don't sleep like humans. They keep working day and night. Comma. But here's something shocking. Army ants don't build permanent homes. Instead, they create living nests using their own bodies. This is called a bivouac, where ants connect together to protect the queen and larvae. Army ants are not peaceful. They are hunters. They move in massive groups called raids, attacking worms, insects, even small animals. Anything in their path becomes food. Comma. Sometimes they leave the underground world. They climb trees, searching for prey above the surface. But the outside world is dangerous. Predators are always watching. Spiders, birds, reptiles. One wrong move, and the hunter becomes the hunted. So while you walk safely above the ground, remember this. Beneath your feet, an entire army is moving in silence, and you would never even know.